All right, so today we're just doing a review for this awesome backyard zip line. We actually don't have a place in our backyard, so we take it camping, but we just set it up in the neighborhood just to test it out. And so far, so good. We found that the hardest thing about the setup was just figuring out how to do the ratchet straps to pull it really tight, because you want it as tight as possible. But once we figured that out, it was a ton of fun. We got the kids going down and they had a ball with it. With our younger ones, we put on the safety belt and kept them harnessed in, and the older ones, they just held onto the handles up here and sat on the seat, and it worked out great. So a lot of fun here. I can't wait to try it out in the woods and in a bunch of different places. The total time for setup, the first time you're going to do it took us more than a half hour because we had to figure out a few different things. But now that we've done it once, I think we could probably set the whole thing up in 10 minutes or less. So it's pretty good once you've figured it out once and gone through the setup. All right, bye.